Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have another unboxing video for you guys today. As you can see here, that's the brand. If you know what this brand is, and I'm pretty sure you know what this can be. And then if you see this marking here, then you know it's something special. So from the outside, super nice case. Has SB002, which means stands for small batch 2. And then if you look down here, you can see it's number 97 out of 200 units made. This doesn't seem like a traditional Pelican case, but you can see there is that little locking point right there for security purposes that's reinforced. And then you got your clips all the way up and down. So as you can guys see here, this is Bergara's small batch number 2, the M40ish. Has the Macmillan, I believe it's the A4, the A5 stock. And that's about it. Comes with 2 stickers, so there's that one and then that one, which is a lay-on vinyl. But you can see here, it's the Bergara, has their action with the rifled or the slotted bolt with the extra nub. There is a Trigger Tech trigger in there, and it comes with a 5-round AICS mag. The trigger, it feels super nice, and I love this stock. Comes with this adjuster right here, and all these little foam pieces you can take out and adjust accordingly. In the future, I'll probably swap this out for one of Magpul's new storage system. Just seems a lot more practical for what I'm going to be doing with this rifle. So the purpose of this rifle, one, I've shot the M40 while I was in the service. I'll put a picture here in the next frame. And I love that thing. It was awesome, but this one has some more aftermarket features that your standard M40 might not have. So this is basically a combination of some of Bergara's tech into an M40ish. And then in this little folder here from Bergara comes with some stuff. This is a owner's manual. And then there is this little card, one of their small batch ones, and then they give you a challenge coin. Optic wise, I think I'm gonna end up going with a Night Force. I like the PM2 that was used on this rifle. However, I don't love it, and I'd like to learn how to use the Tremor 3 Horus reticle. When I trained with the M40, it was still under MOA, so I want to learn how to use the MRAD system instead. But that's basically it. Super excited. Definitely gonna have to get some parts for it to make it almost clone correct. Hopefully New Jersey will allow for suppressors in the future, because I'd love to put a can on this thing. Ideally, I would have preferred to have an M40A6, but Remington Defense doesn't make the A6 chassis anymore, and if you find one, you're going to pay a lot of money for it. But anyways, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay safe, guys.